YouTube, so here I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough of how to hook up a subwoofer to your OEM BMW X3. This is a 2015 model. So basically what I did was I took off the front passenger seat to look at the little subwoofer that's under the seat, and I figured out that the subwoofer that's under the seat is connected to the green with blue wire and the blue with yellow wire that I have tapped into here. That's where I got the speaker signal from. I connected the power to this part of the battery here, and the ground, I connected it where the battery connects to the ground of the vehicle, down under there. And then the control for the subwoofer, I connected it from this outlet here, and all I did was remove this panel here and plugged it into the red and yellow plug-in there, and that's about it. Once you plug all those in, connect it to the amplifier. The speaker has a built-in amplifier, so it was easier than usual, but the wiring is the same. See, the speaker goes to this converter that goes to the RCA and then into the speaker. So that's pretty much how you connect the subwoofer to the OEM speakers of a 2015 BMW X3. Thanks for watching.